TapCoin daily combo. Alright, let me quickly explain this before beginning to pick the combos one after the other. You can use the end section to earn more just by completing the tasks in the end section, as well as the boost section. For example, if you head back to the home page, you see that I've exhausted my tap. So when I head to the boost page, I can get a full energy for free. Then I can tap and exhaust the tap again. Then once I can also use the turbo to get a faster and kind of bigger coin. So once I use the turbo, I can just click on this and you can see it's now time +6 instead of +2, but this is only limited for 20 seconds. So I just have to click on this. You can see now that has ended already. So let's head to the mine tab already. So in the mine tab, the first card we are going to pick. So let's look at our int. The int says a new type of token that can be created on the Dogecoin blockchain. They are similar to ERC, that is the Ethereum wallet 20 tokens, and that is DRC20. So I'm going to look for DRC20 here, which is this, which is Dogecoin platform, whereby the ERC is the Ethereum network. Alright, so the next card is going to be under term and jargon. Let's get the int. The int is Ethereum consensus mechanism. So that is let's come over here. Okay, and we want to look for that. That is POS. Okay. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I think I saw it. Okay, this is it. A blockchain consensus mechanism in addition to proof of work. So this is it. So as you can see, that has been sorted. The last one, it is any private key storage method that has a connection to another device. Right, so that is just hot wallet. So we want to look for hot wallet A. So this is it. Hot wallet require that we take 2-factor authentication to level 5. So this is our 2FA. So with that, to make our hot wallet to be available, as you can see, so we click on that. So we have our rewards already. You can see, so the reward has been added to our initial balance. So feel free to continue tapping and mining on TapCoin. If you have any issue or any query, feel free to drop in the comment section or in the Telegram channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.